Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my July 2020 TENTEN nail polish haul. My mom and I bought all of the nail polishes you're about to see. We bought 11 nail polishes from Nippon Aesthetics official shopping mall, and we placed the order as soon as their newest Midsummer Dream Collection was available at Shopee. After 2 days, I received the orders. It was inside a box, and the first thing that you'll see is this pink paper. Then after lifting that up, you'll see this paper right here, and these are the list of all the orders. Then we have these. And I also got a free scrunchie and a cosmetic spatula. Then my orders are inside these two black bubble wrap bags. Then when I unpack them, all of them are bubble wrapped individually. This is what I really like about ordering at Nippon Aesthetics Shopee. They pack their orders securely and it has a PR box kind of vibe. So of course we bought the newest collection, and they are Seaweed, Saltwater, Sunset, Bikini, and Dolphin. And we also bought Blueberry Swirl, Late Night London, which I didn't expect to be hollow, Pina Colada, Fuchsia Pink, Cornflower Blue, and Monte Carlo. Stay tuned as I'll soon upload my swatch and review video for Midsummer Dream Collection by TENTEN Nail Polish. Should I also do a swatch and review video for the 6 nail polishes we've bought? Let me guys know on the comment section. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!